What's the meaning of boutonnière? Boutonnière. Boutonnière.
Boutonnière. Boutonnière. Boutonnière is a French word that refers to a floral decoration typically worn on the lapel of a suit jacket or tuxedo. This small accessory adds an elegant touch to a formal outfit and is often used for weddings, proms, and other special occasions. Typically made of a single flower or a small cluster of flowers, boutonnières come in a wide range of colors and styles to match the wearer's preference and the event's theme. They are a popular choice for men's attire, adding a touch of sophistication and charm to any formal look.